Hey guys, welcome to Arnav's Fitness Squad. So today we will discuss about something really important which most people don't talk about. It's about whey protein, which is the most common supplement we use in our training. So I have taken out some important points from different research. I'll put down the link of those research in the description. So firstly, we'll discuss something basic about whey protein. Whey protein is basically a complex derived from milk. It includes basically some components like lactoferrin, beta-lactoglobulin. So basically all the milk products which makes it a complete whey. It has been widely used as an antioxidant, as an antihypertensive. It is also used as an antiviral and antibacterial. Now there are many number of clinical trials which have been successfully performed in treatment of cancer, HIV, hepatitis B, and also in some bone diseases like in osteoporosis. I would like to highlight that it has an adverse effect on liver also. So how does it affect the liver? Now it is not clear exactly how it directly affects the liver, but there are some evidences of liver toxicity and liver injury, like you have SGOT and SGBT, the liver enzymes which are raised actually because of whey protein. In some of the participants it was found. Now why I have stopped using whey protein is because of this. I actually monitored my liver enzymes, and I am actually a non-alcoholic, so there was no reason my liver enzymes were raised. So then I stopped taking whey protein for around 5-6 months, and then my liver enzymes got normal. So if you want to still take or consume whey protein, I would suggest that its basic requirement is around 0.8 gram per kg. Or if you are doing a heavy workout, like you are into some strength training or calisthenics, so it may increase to 1.5 or 2 gram per kg of body weight. It usually varies, but one thing you should always remember, that whey protein dose between 20 and 25 gram per day is sufficient to achieve benefits, whereas if you go above 40 gram, it is really toxic. So you should really take care about it. So the long-term problems with whey protein have still not come, even though some research tells that it has long-term effects on kidneys and liver, but still the research is going on and long-term effects are yet to come. So I would suggest that if you are doing heavy strength training or heavy exercise, I would suggest that you should constantly monitor your biomarkers, your enzymes, your creat, your urea, and everything which tells us about the toxicity of the substance. And secondly, I would suggest that if you are not a very heavy lifter like me, you can always choose to have other dietary supplements like fish oil. It's really amazing. I've also taken it, and its research has been done. It's been proven that it has no bad effects. Even though for joints, people take chondroitin sulfate, which is a very good supplement. You can take it. So these are the some supplements which have been proven, have been tested again and again. But for whey protein, I would suggest that the long-term complications have not come. So you can always choose to have other dietary supplements.